Hey everyone, so today I'm filming a room tour for you guys. I've had a lot of requests for this over the past year and I don't know why I didn't do it, but we're doing it today. So I previously had a room tour on my channel, but it looks completely different. I have literally a different color scheme, all of that. Before we get into the video, if you end up enjoying it, please subscribe. I really want to get to 10,000 subscribers by the summer. Alright, so let's start with my doors. So I basically have two hooks up there and I just have my coat. I mean, it's isolation right now, so I technically haven't actually worn this for ages. And now it's pretty hot, so I need to put that away. But anyway, so I just have my scarf, coat, blazer that I used to wear to sixth form, but obviously I don't go anymore, and then my bag, and then we just go like this. So my duvet cover is from IKEA and I have this throw, I don't remember where it's from, but then I also have a couple of pillows and then I have this teddy bear. So when you look here, this is what this looks like. So I actually have some wallpaper that has a brick pattern, so it looks like that and I really like it. And then I have these two frames that I put for decoration and I made them myself. I just printed out these designs, and then I have these lights and they're really nice. I got them from Sweden actually when I went a couple years back. I really like them. I think it adds something really nice. I don't have them on all the time, but even then it looks really nice, so I really like that. And I'm pretty sure you can find similar designs on Amazon or something. I actually have LED lights running all the way up here and there as well. So this is the remote and the plug is just there. So this is what it looks like. And there's obviously different colors and stuff. I like putting this on in the night time. I actually got these from Amazon, so there's loads of different colors and I really like it. I just keep the remote there, and then I actually have this ring light that I use for my videos just right behind me. And then also my tripod. It's actually bigger than this, but I just made it small when I don't use it. And then right behind that I have this inspiration board that I made ages ago, but I really like it and it's just there for a little bit of decoration. And I'm kind of embarrassed about this. Basically, I put this up last August. I don't know why, I just wanted a calendar and I barely wrote anything in it, but I really don't want to take it off for some reason. I really cannot be bothered, but it's there. I feel like it makes my wall look a bit nicer, but it does say September, so it's been up there for like 8 months, but just ignore that. So then you get to my window. I actually have a bit of like glittery wallpaper on this part here, and then my blinds look like this. I stuck on this like nice little pattern thing on the bottom just to make it look really nice. And then I just have a few random things here. So I have this candle that I got a while ago, I have my AirPods, I just have this dongle, if that's what it's called, earphones, couple of adapter things for my MacBook, and then SD card. It's just stuff I can grab when I'm on my bed and need something, so it's just convenient to keep it here. And then it was actually my birthday last month and I had all my cards laid out here, but it was a lot simpler to just have them flat, so I just put them here in the corner for now. And then obviously I have my radiator, nothing special, just looks like that. So a really nice part when I moved into this house that it came with was this big built-in wardrobe, and it's amazing because I have so much space, so I'll show you in a bit. But right there I have all my clothes, these two, clothes, shoes, stuff like that, bags, and then in the middle I have a few extra bits that I need to sort out. I have loads of random things, and then here I have loads of stationery and that kind of thing, and then some of my sister's shoes, she keeps them there. So this is really nice because I can take pictures and stuff. But yeah, I really like the mirror part of this. So bear with me guys, basically it's really messy. I need to do a wardrobe declutter soon, so I'm gonna film that, but this is what it looks like. So I have some clothes folded there, underwear, socks, that kind of thing. I have shoes down here, all my clothes all the way there. I have a lot. I'm telling you, I'm decluttering, so just mind the mess. I have some extra things up here. My McDonald's hat that I will not be using shortly. My Longchamp bag, Fjallraven Hunken, River Island, that kind of thing. I have more clothes folded up here. I'm telling you, I'm literally going to sort it out, don't worry. And then up here I have a few more clothes in there. So in the middle I have a few random things. As you can see, I'm just going to quickly show you my Polaroid, a few little things, some perfumes, hair products, that kind of things. Yeah, it's really messy, but yeah. But the good thing with having a built-in wardrobe like this is that I can hide the mess away. So it's really convenient because I can just clean my room. It looks clean pretty easily, and I don't have to like clean up much, so that's a good thing. All right, so in this last one, this is also really messy. I have some random things, photo albums, bit of makeup techniques that I need to try out, and paper, that kind of thing. It's all messy. I need to clean it. I'm gonna do that during quarantine. All my stationery, it's been a mess. I haven't cleaned it since sixth form because I wanted to see what, like, you know, what happens with that. I have some books, stationery, more books, folders, all of that there. So down here I just have a few things: curling iron, extension lead, all of those that you know you don't really need to see. Then I have my desk area. It just looks like this. I have the generic, you know, Alex drawers. So I have two of these on each side. I really like it, you know, I've had it for a while. And let me just show you this. So I have my MacBook Pro right there. I have some oil, makeup brushes, then this really nice mirror that I got from IKEA. And then I have a candle, and I also have this phone holder, phone stand thing, and then obviously my phone is just there. And by the way, in my drawers I keep mostly my makeup and hair products and tech products. So when you go up here, I have this little plant, and I have some perfume, these two little things that I keep some jewellery and earrings and stuff in. Then I have some hanging jewellery there. And then each of these things I have some washi tape, scissors, paper clips, a few other things in there. And then I have this room spray, some sticky notes. I have this hanging plant from IKEA. I have this thing, I don't know what it's called, but you can write your own thing on it, and I wrote that a while ago, like a year ago when I got it, but yeah. And then I have these blue light glasses that I just leave there for decoration, and I use them sometimes. The two other plants from IKEA, this little candle. I have this thing that says "A true love story never ends," this notebook that I just leave up there. So yeah. Then I have this holder thing that holds my pens. And then I have this, which I use for my deodorant and lotion and all of that stuff, moisturizer. So overall this is what it looks like. And I also have this chair. It's literally white, so it looks like that, but I put this little rug on top just to make it look, you know, a bit better and a bit more comfortable. And as you can see, the theme for my room is pink and grey, so that's the way it looks. And yeah, that's pretty much my room, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know of any video requests you have in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.